Controlling our operating costs is an ongoing challenge. We need higher returns from our IT infrastructure, but we can't afford the disruption and expense of replacing it.
What if you could extend your existing infrastructure to business processes? Avaya Agile Communication Environment makes it simple to integrate real-time communications with applications. Your staff can communicate directly within business workflows, whether they're processing a loan, working on an investment transaction, or handling a claim. With the power of Avaya Ace, you can click to call from financial applications using your device of choice. Connect your audio and video phones to common office software. And click to collaborate with colleagues, clients, and partners inside social networking business tools to deliver results faster.
Customer focus is also a major challenge. Our clients demand personalized service, and they expect us to understand and respond to their needs quickly. To keep our competitive edge, we need to drive client loyalty and exceed their expectations.
What if you could make client interactions more personal and more efficient? Avaya Ace adds advanced real-time communications functions to your customer relationship management software. With the power of Avaya Ace, you can make calls, broadcast recorded messages, and send personalized audio updates to clients with just a few clicks. Trigger instant alerts for key investors when critical events occur. And by bringing Avaya Ace and Avaya Aura together, you can give your premier clients the first-class treatment they expect, with faster access to advanced services during each interaction.
But will these communication solutions help drive competitive advantage? We need to drive process innovation and bring new products to market faster to stand out from the competition.
What if you could remove bottlenecks from your workflows and enhance collaboration while meeting regulatory requirements? Avaya Ace can help with toolkits designed for IT developers with no telecom skills. With the power of Avaya Ace, you can drag and drop communications into business process management software, set up closed-loop notifications for processes like insurance claims or loan applications, and automatically record and log client interactions to meet compliance obligations. Together, Avaya Ace and Avaya Aura deliver real-time collaboration solutions to help you control costs, enhance customer service, and achieve competitive advantage. Put the power of Avaya to work for your business today.